Hello and welcome back to the channel. So, must-haves for the V85. In my humble opinion, the V85 comes rather complete from the factory for touring and light off-road duty. The crash bars should have come with the bike from the get-go, but oh well, they are definitely a must-have in my book. I ordered mine from Moto Guzzi and are still waiting for them to show up, unfortunately, probably due to the beer bug. I'm aware that there are, I believe, 2 other companies out there with a similar form factor, but I chose to just stay with Moto Guzzi. The taller windshield and center stand are somewhat optional, and I believe it depends on the person and what you're looking for. From what I've seen, for some people the taller touring windshield works just fine. For other people they install a small add-on on top of it, and then other people have installed a much taller windshield altogether. It just depends on your actual height and what works and what works not for you. Same with the center stand. I chose to install mine and dealt with the added weight, but some people may not want the added weight. That brings us to the other must-have in my opinion, and that is better packs. And as you can see here on my bike, I have a couple shots here, somewhat far away, closer, and then a real close-up, where you can see what I did there. I found this company called Pivot Packs, based in Australia, and they are actually making these packs for the V85 TT. The install is pretty darn easy. You just remove the little pin from the back of the pack. There's a pin that comes out, and you basically just put the new ones in, slide it in, and that's about it. Pretty straightforward. As you can see here, you can see the difference between the stock packs and the new pivot packs. Here you see the movement, and these actually move forward, backward and upwards, which makes it actually rather comfortable riding. I tried them out, and I personally think it adds actually comfort to the riding. There is what is listed on the website is 2018-2019 model, and I noticed that the springs don't align with the factories on both sides. As you can see here, this one almost matches it, but the other one was totally off. I'm not 100% sure if that's a change on the 20 and 21 model year, but that's what I found, but it still works just fine. This sucker here, you gotta be super careful when you take it off, as they basically included 2 pins that, again, they are different apparently on the 18 and 19 model. On the 20 model you have this style pin, and you gotta be super careful. They like to literally spring off, and make sure you have like something light underneath the bike where you can see where it goes if it goes away from you. But again, other than that, it was a very straightforward install, and I personally really like them, and I think for light off-road duty it's definitely a must-have. Let me know what you think, or maybe let me know what you think is maybe another must-have for the V85 TT. Other than that, please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!